Hey guys, my name is Confident. Welcome to the 24-minute lesson excerpt where I will be sharing with you some ideas, some methods, some strategies or concepts that you can incorporate as you prepare for your final exams, be it you're studying for your mathematics N1, your N2 or your N3. Now, if these videos are handy and you are benefiting from them, you can actually press the like button, or if you've got some ideas, you can leave some comments below. If you also like to be notified of extra videos every time we post them, you can subscribe to our channel and then you'll get some notification every time there are new videos. And also, if you are interested in some of our resources, be it textbooks and some videos, you can check this at the end of this video. We will send you some information. Now let's check this concept out. A mensuration of plane shapes is an interesting topic which requires a bit of analysis before you answer it, but when you are able to analyze it correctly, it becomes one of the easier topics that can give you good marks in an exam. Now, in your mathematics N1, I will encourage you to analyze these questions carefully so that you can avoid the errors that the examiners are leading you to make, and then it can be actually an easier area of mathematics N1 to answer. Now, let us look at the first part. As I said, this is mensuration of plane shapes, where we are looking at areas, volumes, and perimeters of given shapes. Now, this question was taken from a previous paper. It says calculate the area. So we need the area of the piece of land. Okay, this is land with the measurements indicated. All the angles are at right angles, meaning at 90 degrees. So here they are trying to say whatever angle I'm going to get, whatever angle there, it is at 90 degrees, so that I don't remember with the area, it is very important so that without a 90 degrees the shape can become a bit complicated. Now, there are many ways you could have approached this kind of a question. You can split. As you can see, this shape, you cannot tell what type of a shape it is. There is no formula that can be able to solve this kind of a shape, like a shoe kind of a thing. But what you are supposed to do, you can divide this shape into two parts. I can choose to divide it like that. Another person can choose to divide it like this. Whatever way it is correctly, there is nothing wrong with the shape. So whatever division that you use, it is correctly. But so let me choose to divide it with the right way, in the red mark, like that. And I'm going to come up in this case with two different shapes. I will call this shape A and that shape B. So now if I can have my shape A here, and then if I can have my shape B also separate here. So basically that is what they want. If I can find now the area of this and the area of that, I add it together, then it becomes my total area. So now let us look at the dimensions. And again, I'm given that this length is 230, which is not a problem, and this one is 190. So already I can find the area of this particular shape. Actually, if I can write it outside to say this is 230 and this is 190, I can now find the area. Now this is a rectangle, to say area is equal to length times breadth. Now if I can divide like this, which is equal to my length is 190 times 230 in this case. Now using that, it will be 190 times 230. I get 43,700. So this is my area, and I need to put the units. If the units are in meters, even my answer will be in meters squared. So I've got the first area. Now the next important part is for me to find the second area, and In the second area, I need to know my dimensions again. I already know that this is 130 because it is already given. But now, the second part of the measurement, which will make it or break it, it is for me to properly calculate the length of that, because I'm not given that particular length. But there is something interesting. If I can go to my original diagram, you can see that from here to here, this distance, as it is equal to the top, it is 190. And again, from this point to that point, you can see that it is 500. So which means I can find this distance from this point to this point. I can subtract now 500 minus 190. If I can say 500 minus 190, it is 310. So which means this particular distance is 310, which is correct, because if I say 310 plus 190, I get my 500 in this case. So here I know now this is 310. So now I can again find my area here to say area is length times breadth. And in that part, I have got my area as my length is 310. My breadth is 130, and it will give me, in this case, if I can just calculate that, which is 310 times 130, I get 40,300. So this is 40,300. Remember, I'm working with meters, and area is always square units, which is 40,300 square units. So here we said it was 43,700. Now, as I said, I need to find total area. So the total area in this case is to say total area, it is 43,700 plus 40,300, and my answer therefore, actually if I can correct that, because this is not properly written, it is 43,700. So now solving it, I will have 43,700 plus 40,300, and my total area is 84,000. So this is, in this case, remember it's meter square, so this piece of land is 84,000 square meters of land, which you are going to be utilizing. It is now the total area. In this case, they are talking of every part, which is what we're calculating inside. This is the area that I was calculating here. So by area, it means the whole part that is shaded. It is what I was calculating. I hope this was of benefit to you. Thank you. I hope the video that you just watched was of benefit to you. And as I said, if you benefited from the video, you can press the like button, or you can leave us a comment below. And if you want to be notified of these videos, you can always subscribe to our channel. Now, if you want the full curriculum of this mathematics, if you're studying for mathematics N1, N2 or N3, and you want the textbook as well as the videos, we have a full curriculum of the mathematics N1, N2, N3, as well as the accompanying videos. We also have videos of the previous question papers, the latest papers that were written in video form. These question papers can assist you as you prepare for your exams. We also have PDF version of the previous question papers that were written since 2014 until now. And if you want them, you can check all the information from our website, and trust me, these will become very handy to you. We sell them at a very discounted prices, and it is worth the try. Thank you.